Okay, now I'm going to show you the back office of the paid membership. So you go over here, members log in. Now this is where I pay for my membership. You get these features over here. Printed certificates, restaurant incentive, hotel savings card, bulk incentives, my business, subscription resources, and frequently asked questions. I'm going to show you the resources available to you. Here are the banners and all the other resources. Let's go on banners. Here you got different sizes. A whole bunch of banners over there. You can enlarge it or you can download any one of them. Restaurant dining. Get fast and easy credit repair. Here the hotel savings card. A whole bunch of them. Okay, so let's go back to the resource. Click there. We even had chatbot. Generate a chatbot certificate URL. So chatbot URL. Custom video requests. Let's go down here. Hotel savings card terms. Integrations. The API. Okay, here I want to show you the landing pages. We have a choice of pre-made landing pages for ClickFunnels, Builderall, the Conversion Pros. This is the one that I have, and WordPress funnels. So let's go to each one. ClickFunnels. Done for you, high converting funnels and landing pages. As you probably know, ClickFunnels cost about $99 a month, I believe. You can use the ClickFunnels, you can preview it. Let's go preview one of them. Here's a dentist. Here you're with your ClickFunnels capture page, you put your logo, your information here. Scroll down. Okay, so let's go back to resources. Resources, landing pages, Builderall. Those for Builderall. Builderall. Okay, and another one would be landing pages. The Conversion Pros. This is the one that I have. This costs $50 a month. But it's also an affiliate program. So if you sell one account, you earn $25. So you get two customers and your own personal, the Conversion Pros account is paid for. Here is the share code. So you simply copy this onto the Conversion Pros back office, and you're able to clone this exact page, and you can edit it to your liking. Very easy. 7-day trials. And landing pages. The last one will be WordPress funnels. Send an email to funnels@digitalexperts.com to copy these funnels to your WordPress website. Okay. So dentists, chiropractors, Facebook ads, Make a purchase, spend $100. Is a dentist, 7-day free trial, insurance company, weight loss, travel insurance, and so forth. It's pretty good. And back to resources. Kartra funnels. That's another capture page system. Kartra. Okay, what else are in the resources? We also have the Ultimate Marketing Secrets. Those are 3 courses that you get at no cost. Facebook advertising, Instagram ads, and YouTube advertising. Let's just open one of them. Here we go. Training video, how to use Instagram to boost your online business. We got videos. They come in different categories. Let's say you're selling, okay, there's fashion, dance instructor, travel. If you're selling CBD, financial, insurance, credit repair, fitness, weight loss, coaching sessions, automobile, quite a lot of them. Okay, let me just look at insurance. Let's see. Get your insurance quote now. You download this video. Cancun, Las Vegas, lots of videos. So this is the resource section of your Marketing Boost back office.